doing, girl? What are you doing there? What does it look like I have in my hands? I have bananas, and I'm gonna make some banana bread, and I'm gonna show my audience how to make banana bread because I need to find a man. You trying to cook? Girl, you forget the last time you almost burned down this house and tried to boil water on a pot. And now you also try to cut a potato. They didn't even know how to cut a potato. But you trying to cook? Hey! Oh gosh, this is actually very funny. You out of all people, you know, Sasha, you can't cook. You can't even fry an egg. Yeah, it's really true. You think I can't cook? Well, I have taken some YouTube classes last week. I was binge watching on YouTube and I figure it's time that I need to learn how to cook. I have to find a man. What are you trying to prove here? I don't understand what you're trying to do right now. They say the key or the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So I first need to learn how to make some banana bread. You think that's a good start of going from? You trying to cook? Girl, listen, don't kid yourself. I am so surprised. I am already feeling sorry for that husband and his stomach of yours that you are trying to eventually one day have in your life. I am feeling so bad for him already and I haven't even met him. And you haven't even met him yet. Huh? Don't look so like surprised, like I don't get it. Well then, I would leave you to your dues, to what you're doing. I would let you do you, let you be you, and just listen. Make sure you have the fire extinguisher in the corner, and make sure you have your phone next to you in case you need to call 911. But I'll leave you, let you do you, girl. Good luck with your banana bread. I honestly do not know what her problem is. This girl gets on my nerves. Like, she think I cannot cook. Like, I have been watching so many YouTube videos all week last week and I feel like I have retained a lot of information in my brain. So to say that I cannot make banana bread, that is an insult. Like, what is up with this girl telling me I can find a man? I will show this girl that I can make some bread. So let me watch this video just so that I know what I'm doing.
And then add a cup of white sugar.
Okay, I have to add white sugar.
And I like to add a cup of brown sugar too.
Ooh, brown sugar. What is, no.
Then stir that all together.
Okay. Oh.
And next we'll be adding a whole cup of butter. My favorite kind of butter to use is the salted Kerrygold butter. It comes in the gold package.
All of this?
And then we're adding 5 large eggs.
Okay, so it wants me to add bananas, it wants me to add flour, and I have to add some eggs. Okay, I can do that. That is not too bad. I can do that, right? Now I'm self-doubting myself if I can actually do this because I don't know how I have to deal with these bananas and how much is a cup. Oh, okay, I know exactly where I can find a cup. Okay, I know where. 3 cups of flour. 3 cups. And the bananas, I just have to put this in a bowl. So 3 cups. 3 cups. Wait, this doesn't make sense. Like, am I supposed to put the banana in the cup? Wait. Put the banana in here. And then I have to put 3 cups of flour. Okay, 3 cups of flour. it needs an egg. I have to grab an egg. So I put the egg with the banana, and then the flour. I have to put the flour in the bowl. Yes, I have to. The flour goes in. Okay, what do I do from here? I really don't understand how to do this. This is kind of confusing. Okay, I have my 3 cups, and then I have to put the banana in the cup. Ha! Hey! Ah! Ah! Oh boy. Latoya was right all along. I really don't know how to cook. Ah! Latoya! Yes! Toya! Girl! I need just a little bit of help because I'm having a little bit of problem with how to measure this. It wants 3 cups, and you think you can come and help me? Oh, you want my help now? You think? Toya? What is all of this going on here? Why do you have this banana and an egg and a flour in a bowl? I don't even know what a cup is. Hey! I am already feeling so sorry for this husband of yours, but you know what? I can help you out, you know. I don't know what to do. I need your help. I can show you how to make this. Maybe this whole YouTube thing, you watching the videos, isn't working out for you. So how about I show you how to make banana bread? Okay? I might as well just show you how to make the banana bread because I don't want this house to burn down right now. The way you go in with this whole scenario, I even feeling sorry for myself because I have to watch you do this, but I'll show you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So let me show you how to make this, okay? So let me show you how to follow specific instructions because clearly you don't know how to peel a banana. But the video didn't say peel the bananas. How am I supposed to know that I have to do that? So let me show you how to peel a banana because clearly, honey, you don't know how to peel a banana. So the recipe is calling for 3 bananas. You're going to take your banana and you're going to peel it just like this. It's not rocket science to peel a banana, you know. And then after that, you just drop the banana in the bowl. Not too hard to do. I don't know how it was hard for you to do. Now moving on, the recipe is also asking for 1/3 cup of butter. Now I see you clearly had some issues trying to figure out what a cup is and you grabbed 3 mugs. That doesn't make any sense, Sasha. So you see here, I melted some butter and you're just going to pour the butter in the bowl. It's that simple, Sasha. The video just told me to get flour, bananas, and egg, and I just put it in the bowl. Like, how am I supposed to know how to do that? So Sasha, this is what you call a banana masher. So you're going to take this and you're going to mash your bananas, you know. Oh, so I have to put the bananas and mash the bananas like that? Now after you've mashed the banana, Sasha, you have to go ahead and you add in your butter to the bowl. It's that simple, honey. I don't know how you couldn't even figure that out. So I'm just pouring the butter in the bowl. It's in the bowl. Now I hope after all of this, you're able to pick up a thing or 2 and then you can find yourself a man by then. Because you have to learn how to cook. You have to learn how to figure out your stuff. I don't think I'm ready for a husband after all of this. After that, girl, the recipe wants you to add some baking soda. Now, I know they say teaspoon, you know, but it wasn't like taking tea and a spoon. Yeah, it's a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon. Don't get tied up here now, okay? Just pay attention to what I'm telling you. So you're taking about 1 teaspoon and you're putting that in here. Just drop it in. Don't put too much, don't put too little. Just make sure you follow the instructions, okay? You get that? Now you have to add some salt, okay? I don't know why it's asking for salt, but you have to add some salt. And it wants a pinch of salt. Think of a pinch as a pinch. So that's what you're going to do. Pinch of salt. You want a pinch of salt. So you need to add 3/4 cups of sugar, Sasha. So you see this? This is a cup. Yeah. This is a mug. There's a whole difference, okay? So you're taking your cup and you're going to add 3/4 cups of sugar. So you see that line right there? That is where you're going to measure it. You're following? Everything okay? Oh, so you have to put everything inside of there. Ah, I didn't know you had to. Okay, all right. So you're just gonna pour this in here. That's simple, you know, you don't have to complicate things. So Sasha, it's an egg, okay? You have to crack the egg. I have to break the egg? You just don't look at the egg like it's an egg. Crack the egg, okay? So you're gonna crack the egg, I will show you. You crack. Oh, just like that. And you just pour the egg in there. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay? And then after that, Sasha, what you have to do is take the bowl and you just mix it. You just mix. You see how I'm mixing it? You just continue mixing. You put in about a teaspoon of extract, which is like about a capful. That is all. You pour that in there, Sasha. And you're good. You're good. Huh? All that, wait. All that goes into this whole banana thing? You need 1.5 cup of flour. You put 1.5 cup of flour. You're paying attention, right? Okay, just make sure you're paying attention. And that's how you measure flour? I thought it was a mug. When they said a cup, I thought it was a mug. I understand, you know, you didn't grow up learning how to cook. And sometimes all these YouTube videos and then they don't even show you how to do the damn thing. Okay, Sasha, so now that the batter is all mixed up, you could go ahead and put this in the pan. I don't need to take credit for it. You know, I feel like you can probably get it now on your own. So just take the pan, butter it up, and put it in the oven, okay? Okay, I can definitely take this and yeah, I can put this in a banana pan and put it in the oven. I think the recipe is saying to cook it for about 30 minutes, so just keep your timer going. And then you go have your banana bread. And it's for 30 minutes that I have to bake it for. I'm sure I won't be able to ruin it after that. I'll set my timer. Thank you so much, Toya. Don't tell nobody, yeah? I want everybody to think that I am the one that made this. And that's what friends are for. You're a good friend. I'm going to leave this with you. Now I'm going to go back upstairs and binge watch on Netflix, okay? Alright, Toya. Thank you, girl. I got it from here. Thanks. Alright, Sasha. I'll see you later, girl. Okay, so Toya said I have to butter the pan, so I could do this. I could do this. I got this. Okay, so I'm going to butter the pan, okay? And then she said I have to take this. Ooh, why does this look like that? Okay, I have to take this and pour it in the pan. Yeah, I have to do that. That's what I have to do. So pretty. Let's put it in the oven.
A few moments later.
Wow. This is what you call a banana bread. Oh my gosh! Look at how beautiful the banana bread came out. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of my skit teaching myself how to cook and how to find a man. How about you guys go ahead and give this video some thumbs up. Let's get this video to 1,000 thumbs up and more. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel. New content comes out every single week. put a comment below. Tell me what you guys thought of this video. Tell me what you would like to see me create. This channel is in the very early stages of trying to figure out its niche. I'm all about, you know, comedy, makeup, health. I'm all about those things, lifestyle. So put a comment below. Tell me what you'd like to see next on my video. And until next time, bye.